Okay guys, so starting with the FAQs, firstly I will be answering why we need this eligibility certificate from NMC. We need this eligibility certificate to be eligible for registering for the foreign medical graduate examination. So this is not the application form that we fill before an exam like we did for our NEET and other joint entrance exams. This is not that. This is the certificate that qualifies you for applying for the exam. So this is why we need the eligibility certificate. When can we get this? Is it necessary to apply for this eligibility certificate only after we pass out? No. You can get this the moment you get your admission letter into your university. And if you are, whenever you are getting this eligibility certificate, it's best if you do it earlier, because you have to upload the mark sheet that you have till that point of time. For example, if you're doing it in your second or third year, then you have to get the marks of all your semesters printed out from your university up to second or third year or whenever you're doing this, and then you can upload that and apply for this eligibility certificate. How much does it cost? It costs around 2000 as far as I remember. And what to do after getting the certificate? After getting the certificate, once you have your degree, you can apply for the next FMG examination. Some people prefer to do this after getting their degree, like I am doing it now, but I would suggest do it as early as possible, because sometimes these things take time. I myself did not receive my eligibility certificate yet. I have applied 2 months ago, and that's because there was some editing that they needed me to make on my form. I have done that, and now as I said, I have to wait for a few more days for them to analyze it, and finally my certificate will be sent to my email. So I'm still waiting for my certificate. That's why I'm saying it's already September and December, and in December we have our exams. So it's best to do it as early as possible so that you don't have this tension right before your exam. And now I will tell you the steps that we need, and I will try to add a small video of the steps, and also I made a step-by-step bullet point list. I will add that as well. So firstly, you need to Google NMC, simple capital NMC, and then in NMC you will find student login. You need to go there. Then if you do not have an account, then you have to sign up. For signing up, it's simple, just press sign up, and then you will have to put in your name and details according to your 12th certificate and your email ID and your password, and then that will become your username. And initially they will give you a password, then you will have to use this password, and then you can go back and change your password. So once you have your user ID, which is your email ID, and the password, you can enter the NMC website and then choose apply for eligibility certificate or apply for registration. And then you need to, first when you click on that, you will see the requirements that you need, and also you can download the format for affidavit. Affidavit is basically where a lawyer verifies that you are so and so person, and the degrees and the documents that you are uploading is yours. And you will have to download a declaration form that they have put up. And so once you have downloaded these, you need to go to the lawyer. It can be any lawyer for getting your affidavit made. What are the things that you will carry to the lawyer's office? Your 10, 11, 12 mark sheet, your 10, 12 pass certificate, 2 photos, and college admission letter. After that, you need to make a file, a document for uploading. These are the things that you will need to upload, but don't make a file, combined file, because you cannot upload it all at once. You need to upload it separately, so make separate files. So these are the things that you need to scan, and scan the self-attested copies. Self-attested copies means you make a Xerox and you sign on that, and then you scan that and keep it ready for uploading after you fill the form. So what are these documents? 2 self-attested photos, your Aadhaar card, your passport, your visa, college admission letter, mark sheet, class 12 mark sheet and passing certificate, class 11 mark sheet and passing certificate, class 10 mark sheet and passing certificate, and your marks till the year in your college after which you are applying, and affidavit and declaration that you got made from the lawyer. So these are the things that you have to scan and keep ready for uploading. After that, it's pretty simple. You need to just fill the form and then upload all the documents, check them, upload them carefully, and then just click on submit. Choose a payment method. You can pay with card or Google Pay, and then wait for your eligibility certificate, which will arrive in your email in a month or two. If it is delaying, then you can call them in their helpline number and remind them to give you. Oh, and after making this online registration, you will also need to submit all your documents in person to the NMC office in Delhi, and only then you will get your eligibility certificate. You can post it or have someone deliver it there. It is up to you, but these are the requirements for eligibility certificate. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you. Okay guys, now as you can see, these are the requirements as per the NMC website. You just need to go to the NMC website and create an account by signing up. Then you need to go to student login, and then you will get the option of making this eligibility certificate. So this is the first page. You can see we need a name, father's name, nationality, date of birth. Then we have this. After that, these are the photos that we need to upload. We need to upload self-attested photos, then the mark sheets, then the mark sheets of class 10, 11. Make sure this one has the date of birth, and then pass certificate of class 12 mark sheet, and then proof of nationality, that is passport and visa, and admission letter from your university, and then affidavit with the declaration. The declaration will be available on their website, and also all these requirements will be available when you first log into their website. I have this. Here we have email address, then mobile number, then Aadhaar number, then different passport number, date of expiry, then two visible signs of identification marks. The ones with the red stars are the obligatory ones, address and stuff like that. Then we have address again, and then details of educational qualification where you will be needing to write from class 10, class 11, and the marks of class 11, then class 12 you have to give. Yeah, and then this page that I showed you earlier. So these are the few requirements, and then you can go to this payment of fees, where you can pay through card, or there are different options, and here you have to take the declaration and then just submit. There will be the submit button somewhere over here.